Welcome in Belgium. I love so much this country. Here you can see Easy Multi Display. This is the tool we use with 30% of the firefighter in France for the control room. And let's go. We are going for a dive for a museum in the UK. Please come on. It's like a bunker, you will see. Here is a soldier who keeps safe the bunker. And here we are with collective view. I use two touch screen, and everything is managed by this little computer. So for the museum, feel totally relaxed. I will lend you this computer for a few months. As it, you can test, and you can feel totally comfortable to yes, to test and to stress the solution. So the concept is usually there are two big monitors, 98 inches. In this case, it's only 65, but it's not too bad. And as you can see, there are the two same scenarios on each of them. The concept is, for instance, here there is a camera. I can make it bigger, and I can see there are some depth and some purple, I guess. And here, this is another video of the museum, and I can check as it the vision of the burglar and the total view of the museum. It's very easy to come back to another situation, and I can, you can see, minimize, maximize. It's very easy. Okay, and now we are going to see the concept to use Easy Multi Display inside collective view. So the computer up here, this computer, this is this little one. It works with Easy Multi Display. We have a remote control, and I am going to use the mouse to call back a scenario. Flight radar, museum, and here it's the multi-view. If I want to come back to a full-scale situation, here it is, and you can see here a laptop. So this laptop, this is this one. Okay, you can see the picture is the same. Please come ahead, and you can see the font. It's really perfect. It's the same. Okay, and as you can see, I'm going to up. Here it's Excel, and when I unplug, it gets off. I plug it back only in with cable HDMI. It is going to be back. Finger crossed, yes, here it is. So, with this computer, it deals with HDMI capture as it. This is a little one. You can see this one. Up and plug again. Plug. In this way, it's very secure because between this machine and the other one, there are no network connection required. It's only by HDMI. In this way, it's very secure. If you want, you can keep this machine out of internet, and as it, you are sure there is no risk of contamination. And to get this one, you can see full screen. There are 4 machines. Please come on. Here they are. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 3 is this one. I can, if I switch, no, I'm going, here there is a multi-viewer, cable number 3, you can see, up, I switch off it, number 3 is off, I'm going to switch on again, here it is, and yes, and it is back. So with collective view, you can double check easily many situations. For instance, the teeth up and this one has it up. Very easy, only cable HDMI and with a touch screen. It's amazing. You can go everywhere you want in your museum. Thanks a lot for listening, and I hope that you will be satisfied by your future test. See you later!